Blood is red, cyanide is blue. I get tachycardia when I think of you.
Love can be defined as something na hindi mo basta-basta ma-express unless na na-feel mo na.
Ay lilipas din
Kung ano yung weakness ko, yun yung strong points niya. So masasabi ko na we are meant for each other.
ang feel sa ulap. Tinig ay hanggang himpapawid. Sa bugso na ang gabi.
Okay, sige. Hindi! Thank you, thank you. Thank you. And she always look after me na yung well-being ko talagang very concerned siya. Kala ko hindi naka-record. Love, ang hirap nun Kasi for me, love is not just a word, it's also a feeling na parang maparamdam mo yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya.
You never asked me to change anything about myself, and I know you will never will.
Kasama sa hirap at ginhawa.
Nakasama na ba sa kongreso yung kailangan natin?
Sa pagputi ng buhok ko.
Kaya from now on, I will call you Miss World. Hindi dahil bibilog na tayo, kundi dahil ikaw na ang mundo ko ngayon.
I cannot answer bakit si Makis, pero I can answer na bakit hindi si Makis. So, yun, bakit hindi si Makis? Kasi I feel siya na talaga.
Love can be sacrificial. Love can be a blessing to others.
Laging ikaw at ako magulungan mundo. Dahil ikaw at ako pinagtagpon ang panahon. Laging ikaw at ako. Laging ikaw at ako. Mawala man ang tingin sa liwanag.
Tapos sa fast forward, we met again last December. Sabi niya, punta siyang Dubai, mag-tour daw siya, available daw ako. And nagkita kami. Tapos nun, the rest is history.
But for certain circumstances, napunta ako suddenly sa Dubai and all of a sudden, nagkita kami.
Giliw kung pahintulutan mo ako.
Nag-meet kami after 8 years and 6 years of no messaging, no texting.
Yeah, I do believe there's destiny. There's lots of time na hindi dapat pero nangyari. Parang may mga conflict na hindi dapat kami mag-meet pero in some way we find a way to meet each other again.
When we met, I thought I had a pulmonary embolism. Why? Because you're making me breathless. Also, that time I think I had Broca's aphasia because you made me speechless.
In my journey to look for perfection, I found you. my yesterday, today, and forever.
Paumanhin Salat sa kasanayan
Wala kaming common friends or parang anything in particular that will connect us. So truly by chance lang talaga yung pagkikita na.
Ay pakilala ko sana sa'yo ang buong mundo.
I think so. Mas sweet siya ngayon. Before kasi tahimik lang siya. Ngayon very supportive, very loving, caring, gano'n.
Balagtasan
So that's my definition of love. Kasi hindi ako very vocal person eh. I'm more on action and feelings.
Yung love ko kay Angelo, feeling ko hindi lang yun yung love na all of a sudden. Feeling ko yun yung love na 24 years back, yun na rin yung love ko. Nagkataon lang na on certain circumstances, nagkahiwalay kami. Ganun.
Magmahalan kayo, magtulungan at mapahabaan ng pasensya at pangunawa.
Thank you, Tay. Ginugil mo ba yun, Tay? Ginugil mo yata yun eh.
Galingan ko? Pakabait ka.
Ay ipapamalas ko sa'yo.
It was not faith that we are now together. God led me back to you a few months ago after being apart for long, challenging years.
We went to places and then nag-enjoy kami and by that time I realized something na this is it.
Siya yung binigay ni God sa akin. Siya yung binigay ni God. Parang ano yan eh, parang there's a person assigned to you.
Pinakikiusap ko sa'yo. Sana'y pakaiingatan yang puso ko.
Bilang haligi ng tahanan, I will be your safe refuge, so that when you feel upset, angry, sad, or tired, I will be there to make you at ease, calm, happy, and relaxed. I love you very much, and I'm looking forward to spending the rest of our lives together. I love you, Marquis de Santos.
I give you my hand and my heart. I pledge my love, devotion, faith, and hope as I join my love to yours. You are my angel, my love, today, always, and forever. I thank God that I am yours and you are mine.
100 billion failures disappear. Yeah, when you lost your life, so I could find it. Yeah, and if you left the grave behind you, so will I. I can see your in everything you've done. Every part designed in a work of art called love. And if you gladly chose surrender, so will I can see your heart 8 billion different ways. Every precious one is a child you died to save. And if you gave your life to love them, so will I.
Parang every person has its own part, has his or her own partner. So itong si Angelo, mula nung bata kami, siya na yung partner ko.
But you're the one who never leaves the one behind.